The tumultuous pace of today's world demands that businesses be agile enough to adapt to new market trends with speed and precision. Amidst global inflation, recession risks, and supply chain disruptions, migrating your SAP workloads to the cloud is no longer just an option. It's imperative. Fortunately, Microsoft offers you a complete solution to make this process seamless and effective. With over 30 years of partnership with SAP, we provide cutting-edge solutions that put you in control of your business like never before. Microsoft Cloud Platform enables you to maximize the business value of your SAP applications on the cloud, accelerate savings and optimization, and secure your SAP and non-SAP environment. But that's not all. Thanks to new technology breakthroughs by Microsoft, your business can benefit from unmatched insights and AI-driven automation and productivity that deliver results almost immediately. Whether you migrate SAP S/4HANA on Azure, leverage RISE with SAP for a fully managed service, or add intelligence with AI services, Microsoft provides a reliable, secure, and comprehensive cloud platform to transform your SAP estate. So why hesitate? Discover why Microsoft Azure is the #1 cloud platform that SAP customers choose as their trusted and reliable source for migrating, modernizing, and securing their data in the cloud today. Take the first step towards a more flexible, efficient, and profitable future. Contact us today.